Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. So, friends, as you know, my name is Asari Mahato and I am from West Bengal. In this time, I am making video, I am recording myself, and it is my 20 day of English speaking challenge. Yes. So, friends, I am here near to my field, and these are our fields. Yes. We have planted many things like brinjals, carrots, tomatoes, beans, mustard. Yes, so I belong to a farmer family and I do farming with my father. My father does farming, so I help him. And you can see behind me some trees. These are our trees. My grandparents planted these trees. Sorry, these trees. Okay, I am saying wrong, no problem. So I want to improve my communication skill, so I practice every day, and yes, I practice casually. I try to describe surroundings. Even I am trying to describe surroundings. Okay, and yes, this is our field. So the weather is very good now in this time, and I have come here to see our field. Yes, and I have what to say it. I don't know how to say in English. If you know, please say. Okay, what is this? Because some monkeys have come. Not here, but these are there. Maybe they will come, so I am here to chase them. Okay. So, friends, do you want to learn English? If you want to learn English, then actually I can't guide you because still I am learning. Okay, but if you want to know how did you learn this language, okay, so I can give you some solution. Okay, so that one solution is that is listening. Listen more and more, like you are listening to me. Okay, so I am speaking very slowly, not very fast. My English is not so fluent. Okay, but you can understand my English. Everyone can understand. Yes, even one beginner can understand. Yes, so at first just try to listen as much as you can. Okay, just listen more and more. When I started learning English, that time I used to listen. Most of the time I used to listen. Okay, and I used to practice very less. I didn't speak so much, but I used to listen so much. Now I listen and I practice. Even I listen so much, I practice even more than 1 hour every day now. Yes, now I am practicing, I am speaking. Okay, I am speaking, I am practicing speaking. Okay, someone is calling me, one of my students. Okay, he is calling me, come. I will not go to him, maybe he will come, but yes, friends, what I am saying I have forgotten. Okay, okay, listening practice. Just do one practice. Listening. Just listen. Okay. Just grab it. Okay. By listening. And after that, after listening, if you can understand, then try to speak a little bit. Don't go to grammar. Okay. Don't learn grammar. Okay. If you want to speak English, just listen. If you want to, like, if you want to practice English, at first, so that time you should listen, very first time you should listen, and after that you can speak. Just listen, and whatever you can listen, just you can practice. You can do one thing, that is shadowing practice. It is very good, but I don't do shadowing practice, to be honest. I don't do so much, but yes, it is good. If you do, then you can improve your English speaking practice. But yes, I do, but I most of the time I don't do shadowing practice. Maybe I don't like shadowing practice, but I love listening podcast, like English podcast, English movies, English cartoons, English many things. Okay, in English. So you can listen English as you can. Okay, as much as you can, just listen. And yes, listening is very powerful to learn this language, any language. Okay, when we were like baby, we could not speak anything that time we used to listen. Yes, and we learned our native language in this way, by listening and observing. So you should listen and observe. Okay, just do one thing, that is listen and observe. So, and other things are very important also, like writing, reading. Okay, but listening is the only. If you don't write, if you don't read, no problem. Even you can speak in English very well. Okay, because when we were very child, like 4 years, 5 years, that time we could not write and read, but we could speak, because we used to listen. Yes, so even you don't know anything like ABC, you don't know, but if you listen and you try to copy, okay, and if you do shadowing, just listen and try to speak, listen and speak, whatever you listen, just try to speak, you can improve your English, you can learn. Okay, but I don't do this type of thing, because I have learned many things in school time. I know many vocabs, many things. So when I listen, I understand whatever I I can understand, I try to translate. Okay, but it is very easy for me, I can understand many things, most of the things. So now it is very easy for me. But if you don't know anything, maybe actually I am making video, my purpose is making video. If you are listening, I am not giving you advice, I am giving myself advice. Okay, no problem, because I practice English here for myself only, not for you. Yes, if you are watching my video, if you are getting benefits, so you can watch and you can implement this thing, listening only. Only one thing, that is listening. I am saying it again and again, because you can remind. Okay, so friends, after that you can do reading, writing practice. It is very good. I don't do this type of all the things like reading and writing, but I listen. Most of the time I listen even. Okay, for learning this language. Okay, so friends, it's enough today. I don't want to make my video longer. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends who wants to learn spoken English like me. And you can do like me, you can practice like me if you want to learn this language. Okay, so friends, take care, bye, have a nice day.